Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here, bringing you the 33rd episode of the Community Mining Rig Showcase, where we take a look at the coolest, freshest, and probably the most hottest, no pun intended, crypto mining hardware from around the crypto mining community. If you would like to be featured on the next episode, please feel free to join my Discord, post your mining rig, ASIC, FPGA, mining farm, or even just a PC with one graphic card. There's no discrimination here, but without further ado, smash the like button, subscribe, notification bell, and let's get started. And before we begin, my friends, this video is sponsored by nerdgears.com. Today only, we are celebrating the International Red Panda Day, September 21st, 2019. Today only, special 15% off coupon code off the whole website. Everything is 15% off. Coupon code is RPMDEY15. Okay, I repeat, RPMDEY15. Use that code on checkout and you guys can get 15% off everything that you check out, whether that be power supplies, PCIe adapters, mining, graphic cards, ASIC miners, motherboards, fans, power distribution units, power cables, Ethernet cables, anything you guys need crypto mining related. Nerdgears.com has it. Check them out, guys. 15% off today only. Red Panda Appreciation Day. Alright, so last episode we ended off with Twisted Freak, and this episode we begin with Ping Ertz, what is up, man? Alright, so let's check out your mining rig here. So first off, you got a Sapphire Dual X GPU. I'm gonna assume this looks like a actually I'm not sure. It's got two 6-pin, no, two 8-pins. I can't tell. Is that two 8-pin or two 6-pins? Yeah, one 8-pin, one 6-pin. I'm guessing this is a Polaris card of some sort. This looks like a GTX 1060. This has one 6-pin PCIe. Radeon reference card. This looks like a 470 or 480. 470. And then you got a Asus Strix card here. I'm thinking that's a 570. And then you got a Zotac at the back here. Either that's a 1050 Ti or a 1060 3GB or 6GB. But Pingert's very nice collection of cards here, my friend. That is awesome. That is looking good. You got it on a wood frame as well, custom wooden frame. Very cool. Pingert's, thank you so much, man. Alright, next up we got I Find Blocks. What is up, man? One of my mods. He says here, it's the start of a rig, getting ready for random X. Oh my god. Okay, so if my memory serves me correctly, this is a Opteron motherboard that has 4 Opteron processors. I don't remember what processor number. I think it's the 8000 series or 5000. I don't remember, but there's this rig should be able to do, I think this whole motherboard combo CPU set should be able to do, I believe, 8,000 or 10,000 hashes per second on random X, supposedly. So, man, look at this. This looks really cool. I think this might be my thumbnail, actually. I Find Blocks, let me know, man. How's it going with it? I know you've been setting it up recently. You did post this on August 4th, so it's been a while since then, so let me know. Alright, apple fried rice. You got a video here, my friend. What do you got here? Oh, okay, you got some talking here. Let's see. Apple fried rice. Is this you? Okay. 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 Interesting. Okay, so you are ETH mining on what? I don't know what car. Oh, GTX 1660 Ti. Ah, okay. So you were testing out 1660 Ti back then. Okay. Interesting. Okay, this looks like a Snapchat, so this may not be you. Apple Fried Rice, thank you for that, man. 1660 Ti, such a good card for mining. I definitely recommend that card for everybody who wants to get into mining. Okay, next up we got Hey Hi Hey. What's up, man? Custom rig case creation process started with an old server case. Okay, so you got a 400 watt Antec power supply. Very nice. And then you said you gutted the server case. Okay, so this is a typical server case, EATX case. Very nice. And then you said you're starting to add some components. Oh wow, this looks good. Okay, so you got a Corsair 850 watt X power supply with two GeForce GTX 1070s. Very nice. This looks clean. You got an Asus Prime motherboard, probably Z270, and really clean. I like this gutted server case actually. This is a really good idea. Very, very intuitive. Hey Hi Hey, this is very nice, man. Ended up with 4 EVGA 1070s. Okay, so okay, you have it sideways. Okay, so you have 2 of the 1070s in the front, horizontal or vertical in the front, just hanging there with the riser, and then 2 of the 1070s on the motherboard. So total 4 GTX 1070s, and then you upgraded the power supply from an 850 to a 1200 watt HX 1200i. Very nice. Hey Hi Hey, very nice, man. That looks really cool. Thank you for the pick. Added several friends to the front as well. Okay, so you got some 80 mils in the back and probably 120 mils in the front. Very nice. Finished product. Finished product completely concealed and secured. Good for work. So this is is this a hidden mining rig at work? I like it, my friend. Very nice. Very conspicuous. I like it. I like it. Hey Hi Hey. Very nice, my friend. Thank you for the picks. Very awesome. Alright, next up we got Yamaran, my 3 1080 Ti rig. Oh my god. Okay, that is funny. Are you drying your underwear, your wet underwear, on top of your mining rig? Oh, that is hilarious. That is hilarious, though. Okay, this looks really cool, though. Okay, so you got a custom wooden frame. 4 1080 Ti's. Yamaran? No, 3 1080 Ti's. Okay. That is hilarious. Why do you have your underwear sitting there? That is Yamaran. Let me know. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what's going on. You guys you posted that August 4th, so that was a long time ago. Hope you see this. Okay, next up we got KS94. KS94, what is up, my friend? What do you got here? Alright, so we got a MSI motherboard. Looks like an older E33V2. Oh, this is a much older chipset. Looks like you got a PCIe cable going out. I don't know what video card you're running on it, but this looks like an older ATX build for sure. And then okay, here we go. You got some numbers here. 27.295 mega hash at 89 watts. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is a Radeon card of some sort. IceQ X2 HIS. Okay, so this is a AMD card of some sort. I'm not sure which one. Actually, I think you said here. Oh, HIS 584 gig. Okay, very nice. AMD A4 4000 with an MSI A86 FM2 motherboard with the Xiaomin 700 watt PSU. Ah, okay. Very nice. What a great starter rig, man. That is awesome. That is good. KS94, thank you so much for the pics and info, man. Thanks for posting. Awesome stuff. All right, next up we got Jersey Stunt. Jersey Stunt. Sorry, butchered your name. All right, man. What do you got here? All right, 2 beautiful Radeon 7s on a Veta frame. Man, I can't get enough of Radeon 7s. These are just such nice cards. Since we know that Radeon 7s are now discontinued, I think these cards are going to be like a collector's item. And, you know, you guys know I have one, and I would hate to give that card away, but I just love it so much. It mines like a boss, seriously. All right, Jersey, I can't say your name. Jersey Stunt, you got 3 special limited edition Sapphire Nitros on the left here. And you got one white one. I've never seen a white one before, or silver one, Sapphire Nitro, but that looks really sick. And then you got 2 Radeon 7s, the 50th anniversary, and one the regular silver one. Very nice. You got a Honeywell fan. I got one of those as well. And you got some more GPUs over here. It looks like GTX 1080s or 1070s. Yeah, they look like 1080s. And you got a EVGA 750 watt PSU, 1000 watt PSU. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, man. Looking good. Looking good. Next up, we got Twisted Freak. Yet again, Twisted Freak. What is up, my friend? Okay, I'm going to blow this up. Okay, I think this is the same picture you posted in the last Community Rigs mining showcase, but you know what? I'll show it again. You got 5 reference cooled, I think these are Vegas. I'm going to assume these are Vegas. And you got some regular Sapphire Nitros and one, what is this? 16 MSI GeForce GTX. I'm going to assume this is a 1660 or 1660 Ti. Yeah, I think so. Looking good, man. Oh, Vega 64 and 6 1660 Ti's. Okay, very nice. Twisted Freak, thanks so much, man, for the pick. Okay, I'm gonna end it there, guys. I want to keep this one short, but I'm gonna continue on with the mining rig picks on the next episodes. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, my friends. Thanks for watching, and peace out.